Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoom Cloud recordings for searchable meeting workflows step by step clearly. To activate Zoom Cloud recordings for searchable meeting workflows, start by signing into your Zoom account. Navigate to the settings panel on the left side of the home page. Scroll down to the recording section. Locate the cloud recording option. Make sure this feature is enabled. Next, find the audio transcript setting within the cloud recording options. Toggle the switch to enable the audio transcript feature. Once enabled, all future cloud recordings will include a text transcript. Now, schedule or start a new meeting. After the meeting concludes, the recording will be processed. Wait for a notification email indicating that the recording is ready. To access the recording, go back to the Zoom dashboard. Click on Recordings in the menu on the left. Select the meeting in question from the list of cloud recordings. Here, you will see both the video and the transcript available for download. To search within your recordings, open the transcript file. Utilize the search function in your word processor to find specific content. This process allows for efficient retrieval of information from your recorded meetings. Remember, transcripts may take some time to generate after the meeting ends. Once transcripts are available, you can easily share them with your team for collaboration. By following these steps, you can activate and utilize Zoom Cloud recordings for a more efficient meeting workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.